Have you ever wondered about the mysteries of your past lives and their influence on the present? Today we delve into the realms of self-discovery and spiritual transformation, guided by the renowned regression hypnotherapist, Dolores Cannon. Her unique approach to past life regression bridges the gap between science and spirituality, revealing the extraordinary insights of our soul's journey. Embark on this profound journey that promises to change your perspective on life and existence. Enter the world of Dolores Cannon, a renowned regression hypnotherapist. As we journey into the profound realm of spirituality, we encounter a luminous beacon of wisdom and enlightenment, Dolores Cannon. A trailblazer in her field, Cannon's work transcends the conventional, offering a bridge between the scientific and spiritual dimensions of existence. Cannon, through her deep trance sessions, guides individuals to access their past lives and higher consciousness, unveiling the mysteries of the soul's journey. Her approach to past life regression is unique, grounded in the transformative power of the subconscious mind. With every session, she embarks on a voyage into the depths of human consciousness, navigating through layers of memories, emotions, and experiences. These explorations are not just metaphysical journeys, they are profound experiences that have tangible effects on individuals. The revelations from these sessions illuminate the path of personal growth, helping individuals understand their purpose and align their actions with their soul's journey. The realm of consciousness that Cannon delves into is vast and complex, filled with echoes from past lives and insights into the soul's evolution. Her work unravels the intricate tapestry of our existence, shedding light on the interconnectedness of our experiences across lifetimes. In this intricate dance between science and spirituality, Cannon's teachings offer profound insights. They underscore the interconnectedness of all experiences, providing a comprehensive perspective on life's challenges and opportunities. Through her guidance, individuals are empowered to navigate their spiritual journey with wisdom and grace. Cannon's teachings emphasize the interconnectedness of all experiences, providing a holistic perspective on life's challenges and opportunities. The past is not merely a sequence of events, it's a reservoir of experiences that shape our present. Think about that for a moment. Our past, whether we remember it or not, is a vast tapestry of experiences that have molded us into who we are today. But what if I told you that the past goes beyond this life, that it stretches back into countless other lives we've lived before this one? Enter the profound world of past lives. Understanding our past lives can have a significant impact on our present circumstances. It's like peering through a kaleidoscope of experiences, each one unique, yet interconnected in a cosmic dance. Each life we've lived holds valuable lessons, insights, and experiences that have shaped our soul's journey. Now imagine you could tap into these past lives, uncover their wisdom, and use it to enrich your present life. That's where Dolores Cannon's work comes into play. Through her deep trance sessions, she guides individuals to access their past lives. It's like opening a time capsule of the soul, filled with a wealth of knowledge and experiences. Cannon's teachings emphasize the interconnectedness of all our lives. She views each life as a chapter in the grand book of our soul's journey. Each chapter, no matter how seemingly insignificant, has a vital role in shaping our soul's evolution. Let's take a moment to consider the concept of karma. Often misunderstood as a system of punishment and reward, karma, in reality, is about learning and growth. It's the universe's way of teaching us important lessons for our soul's evolution. Our past lives are filled with these karmic lessons, and understanding them can provide a roadmap to navigate our present life's complexities. The exploration of our past lives and the significance of karmic lessons can be transformative. It can change our perspective, empower us to make positive changes, and even shape our destiny. From the exploration of parallel lives to the significance of karmic lessons, Cannon provides a roadmap to navigate the complexities of the soul's evolution. What if embracing your spiritual essence could catalyze personal growth and enhance intuition? This thought-provoking question leads us into the heart of Dolores Cannon's teachings. She believed that by acknowledging and embracing our spiritual essence, we can unlock the gates to personal transformation and intuitive enhancement. Let's delve into the practical techniques Cannon proposed to empower individuals to initiate positive change in their lives. One such technique is meditation, a practice that has been utilized across cultures and millennia to foster inner peace and wisdom. Through meditation, you create a sacred space for your spiritual essence to thrive, allowing your intuition to become a guiding light in your life journey. Another technique is affirmative visualization. Cannon suggested that by visualizing positive outcomes and coupling this with the power of spoken affirmations, we can manifest our desired reality. This practice aligns with the principle of like attracts like, a law of the universe that implies our thoughts and emotions directly influence our life circumstances. Cannon also emphasized the importance of self-love and self-acceptance. She argued that by embracing our spiritual essence, we learn to love and accept ourselves in all our complexity, thus fostering a sense of wholeness and inner harmony. This acceptance is a stepping stone towards creating a more fulfilling life. By integrating these techniques into our daily lives, she believed we could not only transform our personal realities, but also contribute to the collective consciousness, creating a ripple effect that brings about positive change in the world. So, how does spirituality manifest a more fulfilling life? According to Cannon, when we align ourselves with our spiritual essence, we begin to recognize the interconnectedness of all things. We start to perceive life not as a series of isolated events, but as a meaningful journey of growth and self-discovery. This shift in perspective can bring about a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose, making our life experiences more enriching and rewarding. Join the conversation on the profound impact of belief systems and the role they play in shaping reality. After all, our beliefs shape our reality, and by embracing our spiritual essence, we can reshape our beliefs to create a reality that aligns with our deepest desires. Imagine if altering your perspective could be the catalyst for a transformative journey. Indeed, our perspective shapes our reality. It's the lens through which we perceive the world around us, influencing our thoughts, actions, and ultimately, our experiences. What if we told you that by shifting this perspective, you could trigger a profound transformation in your life? Think about it. Our belief systems, constructed from our experiences, perceptions, and cultural influences, serve as the framework for our reality. They define how we view ourselves, others, and the world at large. They set the parameters for what we deem possible or impossible. But what happens when we challenge these belief systems? When we step outside our comfort zones and dare to view the world from a different angle? This is where the magic happens. This is where transformation begins. When we alter our perspectives, we start to see possibilities where we once saw obstacles. We begin to understand that every experience, whether joyful or painful, serves a purpose in our spiritual evolution. We realize that we are not victims of circumstance but active participants in the co-creation of our reality. This shift in perspective can have a profound impact on our personal growth. It empowers us to take control of our lives, to make conscious choices aligned with our true essence. It allows us to see the beauty in our journey, acknowledging each step as an integral part of our soul's evolution. Moreover, it enables us to transcend the limitations of our physical existence and tap into the infinite wisdom of our higher consciousness. We start to see the interconnectedness of all experiences, understanding that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. As we embrace this new perspective, we cultivate a deeper sense of empathy and compassion, not just for others, but for ourselves. We understand that we are all on our unique journeys, doing the best we can with the knowledge and experiences we have. Gain insights into how this shift can lead to a life of greater purpose and authenticity. As we alter our perspectives, we align more closely with our authentic selves, living a life that is in harmony with our deepest desires and highest truth. This is the transformative power of altering perspectives. This is not just a video, it's an invitation to actively participate in your own spiritual evolution. We're about to embark on a journey together, a journey that could redefine your understanding of existence. It's an expedition into the realms of consciousness, where the keys to unlocking your inner potential await. These keys are not hidden in some distant land or a secret treasure chest. They reside within you, in the depths of your soul, waiting to be discovered. Imagine standing at the threshold of a new reality, a reality aligned with your deepest desires and highest purpose. This reality is not a figment of your imagination. It's tangible, achievable, and it's within your grasp. And the first step towards manifesting it begins with a single, transformative decision: to actively participate in your own spiritual evolution. But what does it mean to actively participate? It means to be fully engaged, to be open to new insights, to question, to explore, and to challenge your existing beliefs. It means to embrace the wisdom of your past lives, to understand their impact on your present circumstances, and to learn from the karmic lessons they offer. It involves embracing your spiritual essence, the divine spark that resides within you, This essence is your guiding light, your inner compass that directs you towards growth, authenticity, and fulfillment. And above all, it means to alter your perspective, to see life not as a series of random events but as a carefully orchestrated journey for the soul's evolution. To understand that each challenge, each experience, is a stepping stone towards higher consciousness. This transformative journey is not a solitary endeavor. You're not alone. Dolores Cannon, a renowned regression hypnotherapist, is here to guide you. With her unique approach to past life regression, she provides a roadmap to navigate the complexities of your soul's evolution. Embark on this journey of self-discovery, spiritual enlightenment, and transformation with Dolores Cannon as your guide. This is not just a passive viewing experience, it's an opportunity to reshape your understanding of existence and to initiate a positive change in your life. So, are you ready to unlock your potential and transform your reality?